invite the president of the Ghana Bar Association to give another honor to His Majesty. Shall we give a round of applause to our president?
Thank you, Kwame. You didn't ask that when you married our sister, you didn't pay anything to us. His Majesty Opemsuo Setutu II, Asantehene, that Honorable Attorney General Justice Bafubone, Uncle Sam, and I must acknowledge the presence of Honorable S.K. Buafo, my dear father. And also the First Lady of the Bar, who for the first time is performing her First Lady duties. This is the first conference she's attended since I became president. Yes. And she's sitting next to another St. Monica's old student, Nana Jakuma Difie. I'm standing here for a simple reason. In my conference speech, I indicated that on 27 September 1999, our leaders of the bar at that time, I was then the junior lawyers representative of the Ashanti Bar, and I was part of the conference planning committee. But I know for sure Uncle Sam and Uncle Paul Edujemfi, who I want them to join me for the first reason, I want them to join me here. So Senior Paul Edujemfi, please can you join me? Uncle Sam, can you join me? Because this is something very special. And if Justice Menka Premo is here, I want him to join me because he was the Ashanti Regional Vice President at that time. And even though Senior I.K. Boachi delivered the welcome address, he was the one who led us. Senior J, can you please join me? His wife is Mrs. Shilamenka Premo, the president of our Women's Forum, who is always fighting with me on affirmative action. Good. You know, this is Asantehene. And if there is something anybody knows about Asantehene, it's Sankofa Yenchi. On 27 September 1999, the Ghana Bar Association honored His Majesty Opemsuo Setutu with honorary membership. But at that time, they never gave him any certificate or any insignia to represent that. So the current National Executive Committee and the General Council of the Bar, headed by me, with my Vice President, Kwesiam Mwakweje, Professor Memu Atulik, Anthony Forsen, Kwekujewu, everybody decided that the time has come for us to present something to signify that what our fathers did really meant something to us. So in the Jubilee year of the Asantehene, the Ghana Bar Association, since there is no time limit on this one, and we didn't apply for extension of time, we are presenting a plaque, and this is what the plaque says. Presented to His Majesty. I think my NEC members should join me. Prof, all of you join. Council members, please join. Please, because this was a council decision. I want council members, all council members to join. Mr. Fuku, are you still a council member? Justice Yajakubu, please join us. Because when we took the decision, you're not the judge at that time. Please join us. Auntie, please join us. His Majesty, that is Lady Julia's classmate from first year, from Form 1 the Wesley Girls to the call day in '94. They are mates. So the plaque reads, presented to His Majesty Opemsuo Osei-Tutu II Asantehene, in recognition of your honorary membership of the Ghana Bar Association, conferred on you on Monday, 27th September 1999. His Majesty, in your Jubilee year, your grandsons, your sons, present this plaque to you in recognition. Now there is something to indicate that you are indeed one of us. His Majesty, we are very grateful. And as I said today, if anybody has any cause of action for Akontasekai, it has been paid for in full. Let us enjoy. It's only Opemsuo who can do this for us. And for the 700 of you, you have to understand that this day would always be memorable, because it's not everybody who gets to walk into this magnificent Jubilee Hall. His Majesty, we are grateful. That is why I would ask all of you to spend an extra day, join us on Sunday for Akweside and see culture proper. Because when you see the Asantehene on Akweside, you realize that Asante will be Asante will be betrayed. Yedamasi.